Good morning, students. Myself Kamalnath. I welcome you all in the class of English. Student, last week we have studied an interesting and very thrilling story, The Adventure of an Understudy. And in this video session, I am going to explain you the exercise, the question answer of the story, The Adventure of an Understudy by Sir Anthony Hope. And I am sure that you all must have enjoyed the story and you will learn the question answer now of the exercise and many more questions. So let us proceed here and see what are the questions given in the exercise understanding the text. The first question that is given in your exercise is, the game had begun. What was the game and what would happen if they won or lost the game? Here the word game is here referred. The game had begun. Question is asking you, what was the game? What would happen if they won or lost the game? Answer. No doubt the answer will be a bit here longer because you have to describe the game word in detail in reference or in the context to the exercise of the story, and that's why here answer will be a bit longer. The game refers to the elaborate ruse that Rassendyll was going to execute with the help of Colonel Sapt and Fritz. You know, Sapt and Colonel Fritz were very close friends of Rudolph. Rudolph, who was going to become the king. So Sapt and Fritz were very close friends of Rudolph, in which here, as I was telling you, so the game refers to the elaborate ruse that Rassendyll was going to execute with the help of Colonel Sapt and Fritz, in which he would take the place of King Rudolph and participate in the latter's coronation ceremony. It was essential that the king showed up for this politically significant event, failing which the king's half-brother, Black Michael, would take over the throne. Here, a word is used here, half-brother. You might have a question, what may be the half-brother? You have heard brother, you have heard step-brother. What is half-brother? So half-brother is what? A brother here who has the blood relations, just common father, but maybe different mothers. Okay, but father is common. That is what they are called half-brother, whose name was Black Michael. Let us see now. But the king had been found unconscious. Rudolph had been found unconscious and in no state to attend the ceremony. Who was going to become the king? He was not in the state, he was not in the position to attend the ceremony, his own coronation ceremony, which led to his look-alike Rassendyll. Rassendyll was another person who was looking just alike, just same only as Rudolph. And that's why it was decided that the ceremony should take place, should not be avoided. Otherwise, there was chance, there was danger that Rudolph's half-brother Michael might become the king, next king. So, it is very clear. But the king had been found unconscious and in no state to attend the ceremony, which led to his look-alike Rassendyll playing the king's part for a day. If they won the game, all would be well. If the game would have been won, then all would have been well and the king himself could rule over Ruritania. He was going to be the king of Ruritania state. But if their ploy was discovered, means if their trick that they were going to play, what was the trick? In absence of Rudolph, Rassendyll was going to take part in place of Rudolph, and coronation was going to take place of Rassendyll, so that Black Michael could not sit on the throne. Okay, Black Michael, King Rudolph's half brother, would seize the throne of Ruritania in that case. So let us see now another question we have here. Second question: how did Rassendyll prepare for the role he was to play? How did Rassendyll play the role? Because in the court he was going to take part, and he was going to sit on the throne. Okay, no doubt it was a game, not a reality. Coronation would take place to Rassendyll to show everyone, because Rudolph was unconscious. You have read the story and you are quite aware about every event of the story. So question is here: how did Rassendyll prepare for the role he was to play? Rassendyll prepared for the role by taking instructions from Colonel Sapt. He told Rassendyll about King Rudolph's personal history, his family, his tastes, pursuits, his weaknesses, his friends, companions and servants, so that he could behave with them properly in a natural way, and nobody could recognize him that he was not Rudolph. That's why he was made trained, and all these instructions were given by Colonel Sapt. Colonel Sapt, as already I told you, he was very close friend, very faithful friend of Rudolph. He knew everybody, he knew him very well, he knew his tastes, his nature, his relations with the people and his weaknesses. So let us see now. This was to make Rassendyll prepared to pose as a king. He had to know about the nature and all his habits, all Rudolph's habits, to pose as King Rudolph at the coronation, at the time of coronation ceremony. He was also trained in the etiquette of the Ruritanian court. What was the etiquette? What was the norms of Ruritanian court? Rassendyll has to understand that and behave well, exactly. Outwardly, he was dressed in royal clothes. From outside, he was dressed well in the royal clothes, with a sword in its scabbard, a revolver and a helmet to look the part he was supposed to play. Now, let us see the next question. Third question. What is third question? Which line in para 6 shows us that Rassendyll feared for his life? What line, which para and which line in para 6? There tells us that Rassendyll was very much afraid of his life, because he was going to play a very dangerous role, very dangerous act. Find other lines in the story where Rassendyll, Sapt and Fritz express the same fear. The line, the last thing I did was to feel if my revolver was handy and my sword loose in the scabbard. Very well, this line is taken from para 6, and he thought, Rassendyll thought, if his revolver was quite ready and his sword was loose in the scabbard or not, so that he could handle the circumstances, he can handle the situation, face the situation, if he would face any such dangerous situation. So it is very clear. Okay, in para 4 indicates that Rassendyll was well aware of the mortal threat. In para 4 indicates that Rassendyll was well aware of the moral threat involved in the risky endeavor he had chosen to undertake He knew what kind of dangerous here act he was going to play. However, at the same time, he was trying to manage his fears as best as he could. This fear for their lives was rife in the hearts of Colonel Sapt and Fritz. Colonel Sapt prayed, means only Rassendyll was not afraid what may be the consequences of the situation, but even Colonel Sapt and Fritz also were equally afraid. So it is here the line, Colonel Sapt prayed, God send me, may be alive tonight. This is what the line he said, and this shows his fear, how much afraid he was. To which Fritz replies, and at the same time Fritz told, Amen. He also told, Amen, thus revealing the same fear. Both the friends had the same fear as the Rassendyll was afraid about the situation. So it is very much clear, as the story has been taught to you, you know the whole story, whole plot, every situation, and so it is quite clear for you everything. Next question is for Sapt and Fritz put their lives in danger to save the throne from Michael. What can we infer about the relationship between King Rudolph and Sapt and Fritz from the text, from the story? Sapt and Fritz proved themselves to be worthy and loyal friends of King Rudolph when they agreed to put their lives in danger to save the throne from Michael. They both decided when Rudolph became unconscious and he was not able to participate in his own coronation ceremony. A man whose name was Rassendyll, who was seen, who was found, and whose look was exactly like Rudolph, was managed to sit on the throne, to play that trick before the people. And so Sapt and Fritz proved themselves to be worthy friends, to be loyal friend, faithful friend of Rudolph, and they took their risk only to their even lives as well. Even in the absence of the king, they agreed to the dangerous plot just for the sake of the king and his kingdom, as we have seen in the story. So these were some of the questions that I have discussed today, and I will discuss some more questions on basis of the chapter in the online class. So I suppose that you must have understood these answers I have discussed with you. Note down in your copy please and learn them well. I will bring some more questions in the next video from your exercise. So thank you very much being with me.